Hello everyone, Mike here, and I'm going to be talking about Siteground web hosting. It's pretty popular. It's one of the higher rated ones. So here we are on their website. Now I'm going to be demoing the WordPress hosting. So these days I feel like everyone uses WordPress. It's the easiest, quickest way. So I went with this one, Grow Big, $5.95 a month. You got to pay for it full price up front, and then it's regular about $20 a month roughly. So here's some of the things you get with it. And free email, Cloudflare, 30 days money back guarantee, and does have the email with it as well. So I'm going to go ahead and showcase this. Alright, so once you make an account with SiteGround, you go in here and you click websites, right? And then you want to do new website. So you click that. And then you'll be taken to this screen. So depending on your situation, you would select one of these. So me, I have an existing domain, so I click that. And then it's a random one. Don't ask me what this is. Just for education. Let's look at it that way. Continue. So I already have, or I had this domain hosted with another provider, so it's going to be transferred over. But even if it's not, even if you haven't changed the name servers with your previous hosting, you just click continue for that. And then you can choose to migrate, right, or start a new website. So I backed the website up, so I'm just going to skip this step. And then you can click finish. So in a couple minutes or so, it'll go ahead and tell me that the site's ready. Alright, so when it's done, you'll get this little message saying you're all set. You get an email, and then here are the name servers. So wherever you purchase the domain with, you would change, whether it's GoDaddy, wherever, you would change those name servers over. Maybe you purchase it through SiteGround, so it should automatically have them if you have the hosting and you bought the domain through them. But if you didn't, you go and change the name server to this, right? And then you can go to manage site. So here's the dashboard for this particular domain. You do get unlimited domains with this package, hosting package that is. So you can set up email accounts here, file manager, Cloudflare, and then you got the name servers and such. So if we go into app manager, right, so we can actually set up WordPress through here. So you can choose a username and the email you want it to. So you want to save this information because you're going to use this to log in to WordPress once it's done. So you can go ahead and select that information, and that will see you in the next step. So there I set up all my information. Also want to mention you do have the option to run with their starter plugin for a quick setup and selection of tools and themes. So I'll just leave that, and then we want to click install. Save your password and your username. And it's going to go ahead and start loading WordPress on there. So once it's done, you'll be taken to this screen, and then it's all set up. You can choose to log in to your admin panel on WordPress, and that'll take you right there. So here we are, WordPress starter. So we can start this, kind of make a website for us. You can go through the themes that you like, brought to you by Siteground. So whatever one you like, and then they do have the types over here. So any of these you can pick, right? We'll just select this one. Elementor comes with it. These are a few plugins. I suggest having them. You can also set up WooCommerce from Siteground initially. It's an option, but so, and then let's go ahead and click install. So once it's done loading, you'll get this message saying your site is ready. You can go to the dashboard. And your site can visit. You can add all of these plugins. And then here it is. Not bad. Not bad. So within a few minutes, basically you can set up a new site. And looks pretty good. So Siteground is one of the more popular hosting providers. As you saw, it's pretty simple to set up a website with them. So if you're interested in trying them, I'll drop the link below.